You don't need a luxury gym or fancy equipment to build your body. I simply changed my lifestyle, and that's what gave me the result. And in this video, I want to share my story, the tips and habits that helped me. So you can do the same. I started just like most people, busy, tired, and a little lost. I was employee, I had full-time job. I was busy with the studying for an exam, IELTS exam. And sometime coming back from home at midnight, I was so busy, super busy. And even the distance between the office and our apartment was actually, a nightmare. It was a huge traffic. And it was really hard for me to manage my time to go to gym. But my goal was so important than all of these excuses. They were real, but I wanted to have my own dream body. So I should try for that. After a while, I understand consistency is the only key to achieve your own dream body. You have to be consistent. You have to commit yourself. No matter you go to gym, you exercise at home. Sometimes I just exercised with a resistance band, at home, or maybe with no equipment. Every day I just considered a specific time to work out, maybe at home, maybe in a gym. So I just promised to myself, you should move your body every day, whether you go to gym or you're at home. You have to move your body. You have to do exercise. And I found it most easier to do it in the morning before going to work. One of the mistakes that I had at first, it was I checked my weight every single day. Actually, it stressed me out. And I stopped chasing the numbers and focused on showing up, doing the right things. And one day, the result suddenly appeared. Exercise is half of the journey. The bigger part is nutrition. And here's how I changed my eating habit without making it complicated. I added more protein, chicken, eggs, beans, yogurt. I ate more vegetables with every meal. I reduced sugar and junk food. Not zero, but less. Balance is more important. I drank more water instead of soda. When I go to grocery shopping, I focus on real foods, fruits, vegetables, lean protein, oats, and nuts. And I avoid filling my basket with processed snacks. My workouts weren't long or complicated. I started with 30 minutes every day. Sometimes in a living room, sometimes outside in the yard, sometimes in the gym when I had time. The key is consistency, not perfection. Find a workout you enjoy. If you hate running, don't run. Try dancing, yoga, weight training, or even just walk. When you enjoy it, it doesn't feel like punishment. And don't forget, the sleep and recovery matter. At first, I sacrificed sleep to squeeze in workouts, but I learned rest is part of the process. This is not about quick fixes and crash diets. Chasing fast weight loss can actually damage your body. It's about health, strength, and energy. Be patient. Real transformation takes months and years, not days. And remember, do this for your health, not just for looks. Build your muscles, improve your postures, build your confidence, and protect your body as you age. Sometimes being skinny is not that much healthy. Being strong is more important. The most beautiful part of this journey is how you affect on people who are around you. When I changed, my family changed. We start eating healthier, moving more, and feeling better about ourselves. Your progress inspires others. That's a powerful thing. So, here's the truth. Don't chase perfection. Don't rush. Change your lifestyle step by step. You don't need the best gym or the best plan. You just need to start. Be consistent, be patient, and most importantly, do it for your health and your happiness. If I could do it, you can too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and tell me in the comments what's the first change you will make today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.